World. Srinjoy Chaudhary also on the broadcast with us. But before that, let me quickly get in an update from Sahil Sohail joining us from Lal Chowk.
Well, the celebrations have almost started in Srinagar's iconic Lal Chowk, and here are the visuals. These tourists who have come from different parts of the country have started gathering here. Stage is set. In fact, music will be started any time now, and these celebrations will, in fact, gradually start. It's freezing temperature in Srinagar, -3 at this point in time, and despite that, people coming out from their homes and, in fact, gathering here at this, in fact, in Lal Chowk, Srinagar. This is the basically place which reflects what sort of change basically Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed from 2019 onwards. We'll be speaking to these people who have in fact gathered here. कहाँ से आप आए हैं?
जी एमपी खंडवा।
तो कैसा लगा अभी लाल चौक में?
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बहुत बढ़िया।
ये पहले से ही प्लानिंग थी कि लाल चौक में ही सेलिब्रेट करना?
जी बिल्कुल, पहले से प्लानिंग करके रखी थी हमने कि लाल
बनाई है इस बार।
इससे पहले आप आए थे कश्मीर या लाल चौक?
पहली बार आए हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं।
क्या इंप्रेशन, क्या जानकारी मिलती थी लाल चौक के बारे में, इस तरह की जगहों के बारे में?
पहले हमें बहुत डर लगता था कि नहीं वहाँ नहीं जा सकते, बहुत खतरा रहता है वहाँ पर अब आकर के हमें बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर खतरा है। यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। यहाँ पर आर्मी सब हमारी अच्छी है।
So they also feeling confident. In fact, these tourists who have come from different parts of the country, they also feeling confident. Given the fact that there is a lot of change, the change of, in fact, the winds of change had started from 2019, and the result with us, this iconic place here in Srinagar. In fact, now on Independence Day and Republic Day, these events are being held and they are being celebrated. And now today we see the preparations, this scale of preparations basically tell us that there's going to be a massive celebration of this Republic Day in Lal Chowk, Srinagar. So similar events also planned for in fact Bakshi Stadium, Srinagar, by Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Surinder Chaudhary will be hoisting the national flag, and at district and tehsil levels also we have in fact the IC frontier, the line of control. And there's heavy snowfall, and our soldiers basically deployed on line of control will be celebrating there.
Okay, all right. And as you've been saying, it doesn't look like the cold weather has really deterred the spirit of the people there. We can see the celebrations have begun, and we'll come back to you for those updates there. Very colorful celebrations very soon.